many moves as you can. Keep that ball up. Let's go now. Casey, half court and back. Half court, then switch. Good job. And then back. And then back, and then switch. Make moves that you'd make in the game. Don't do the same move twice. Good job, very nice. And when you get to half court, switch hands. Let's go, guys. Good job, Nick. Good work.